Okay, today I'm going to show you how to switch out an old Westinghouse CO protective relay with a new relay from Schneider Electric, the ECOFIT 5051, using the SUSI Adapter plug and play solution. First of all, just remove the old cover. You'll need that in about 1 minute. Then disconnect with the knife switches and unlatch it. Pull out the old relay, throw that away, you won't need that again. Take the retrofit solution, slide that in. All the way, latch it, and then take the connections, take the old cover, mount that back on, and there you have it. Where there was an old Westinghouse CO protective relay, now you have a new protective relay from Schneider Electric, the ECOFIT 5051 with the SUSI adapter.